see. Good morning to all. Today our study project is Newton's third law. What is about Newton? Newton is born on 1643 January 4, United Kingdom. Newton is a famous mathematician and physician. Newton discovered gravitational force of Earth. Newton also explained three laws. First, in that first law, an object wants to move, who will continue to move in a straight line unless acted upon by a force. And second law, F is equal to ma. And the third law is for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Our main concept is Newton's third law. Newton's third law is very useful of our life. Followed by current law.
Newton's third law Newton's third law of motion object is to relate the Newton's Newton's third law of motion is definition of force. To identify the action and reaction for an action and reaction. To relate Newton's third law of motion is Newton's third law of motion is definition of force. To identify the action reaction is based on physical interaction. To state Newton's third law of motion and related to meaning the concept of force. The concept of force is as mutual interaction between objects. When recognized when the two objects are recognize the two objects are always similar wherever force acts. Recognize that action and reaction force in an interaction do not cancel each other. Followed by started.
Applications of Newton's third law. Newton's third law is also involved in science of sailing. In science of sailing, we consider three cases. The case one is when the boatman wants to move away from the river bank. He sits in the boat and pushes the river bank with his oars. When the boatman exerts a force on the river bank, it exerts the force equally and oppositely on the boat. It helps to the boatman to move backward into the river. In case 2, during rowing, the boatman or the fisherman pull the water backwardly with his oars. Due to this, the force applied between the boat and the water helps to move the boat forwardly. How faster the boatman pull the water backwardly, that much faster the boat move forward. In the same case, swimming also involved in this Newton's third law. As the swimmer pulls the water backwardly with his both arms and legs, that much faster he can move forward. As like as this, the fishes also move in the river with the help of Newton's third law, like by stretching their body and moving their tail to adjust the direction they want to go. By pulling the water, they can go and move in the water. In these three situations, Newton's third law is applied. In case 3, the boatman wants to come into the river bank. When he jumps from the boat to river, the boat moves backwardly due to the boatman apply a force with the help of his knees on the boat. When the force applied on the boat, it exerts equally and opposite on the boatman and help him to jump on the river bank. In these three cases, Newton's third law is applied. Followed will be continued by Kumaraswamy.
According to NASA report, rocket is an example of Newton's third law. Newton's third law. For every action there will be equal and opposite reaction. Rocket consists of a combustion chamber in which fuel is stored. Also, rocket consists of a combustion chamber in which solid fuel or liquid is burned. So the fuel is burned inside the pressure of combustion chamber. So the expelled gases coming out from the nozzle of the rocket. So when the expelled gases rush in a direction opposite to the direction of escape of gases. So the expelled gases in the form of a jet with very high exhaust velocity. So the rocket can be expelled explained based on the principal law of Newton's third law. So the motion of the rocket can be explained based on the principal law of Newton's third law,
Followed
followed by this item.
One of the application is gun. Generally, you look at the image. Nowadays, using for gun is from soldiers and police. If do not use from guns, if not security in any way. From using from gun is compulsory. Used from Newton's third law. If we can work it, you can write it. If we find that Newton's third law in gun, from first one.
Okay, start.
First one fires in bullet. Bullet is moves on forward direction. This is action, and also gun pushed backward direction. This is also opposite reaction. This is the Newton's third law. When we daily uses in our life, Newton's third law applying for examples: walking, running, fishing, jumping, cycling, swimming, and also more than applying for Newton's third law, more than uses. And also, no knowledge persons is using for Newton's third law in routine life, and also young to old and education persons and to not education persons. Next, continue by Sagar.
And our conclusion is, as we all know that our Earth has its own satellites. Based on these principles, our scientists sending satellites with the help of rockets on the basis of Newton's third law. Recently, they launched James Webb telescope into Earth's orbit with collaboration of NASA, ESA and CSA. This is only possible with the launching of rockets. If rockets are not launched properly, it is only the reason of lack of Newton's third law. Our scientists launched Chandrayaan rocket in our Earth's axis. It is partially collision due to lack of Newton's third law. LRO and Chandrayaan got collision due to lack of Newton's third law. After correcting the application of Newton's third law, it reaches its safe zone. So, without satellites in our daily lives, it is nothing possible, because satellites are the main things for our communication and our internet and everything. We are using gadgets. These are only possible because of these satellites. So, without Newton's third law, if we don't know Newton's third law and how to apply it, we can't send satellites to the x-axis and we can't find anything, and we can't live our life peacefully and this luxuriously and commercially. So, my conclusion is, knowing Newton's third law is very crucial and important to lead our lives happily. Thanks for respected principal sir and CC board members and our head of the department physics for giving me this, and my fellow friends for giving us to this great opportunity. Thank you all.